If you haven't started reading yet, if you are new to reading, the information in this video is going to be extremely helpful to you. When I started reading, I was in my 20s. I had no idea where to begin with. I had been trying to improve my English back then, and one of my cousins suggested me a biography. I thought I should give it a try. And trust me, when I started reading that book, I kind of lost my interest towards reading. I'll make sure it doesn't happen to you. In this video today, I have included 5 books from different genres for you. If you are improving English and if you want to start reading, you are a beginner. As a beginner, it is extremely important for you to identify your genre of interest in reading. So be with me. My name is Trilekha and you're watching Lot to Learn. For a simple and easy to understand English, I highly recommend Chetan Bhagat's book. I know some of you may not like him as a writer, but here I'm talking about beginners, those who want to improve your English. So that's what I did when I was beginning. I started reading, as I've told you, that my cousin suggested me biography, and I felt it was too heavy for me. I couldn't connect to that book. I couldn't read because I was a beginner. So then I switched to Chetan Bhagat's book, and then I started finding it interesting. As it was a romantic novel, you can go for romantic as well as mystery with romance also. There are many, I'll suggest you some here. So it was kind of interesting for me. At the same time, I started learning new phrases, new sentences from that book that I can use in my everyday conversation. So you can pick any of these. There are many. You can pick 3 Mistakes of My Life or One Arranged Marriage Murder. Recently, I have finished 400 Days. Once I read so many self-help books, after that I feel like reading something lighter. So then I chose this novel 400 Days, and I finished it, I think, in 3 4 days. It was pretty interesting, filled with mystery as well as romance. So yeah, you can go for it. This book is for beginners, those who do not understand much higher level English. You can definitely go for this book. It is an effortless read. Choose this one. The one skill that can make you stand out from others is leadership skills. If you're looking for a job or for a promotion, or if you want to start your own startup, you must have some good leadership qualities. And that is where I recommend you to go for How to Be a Good Leader from Dale Carnegie. I highly recommend this, especially for teenagers. I read it when I was in my 20s, and I still read many such books. I read many self-help books. If you want more recommendations for self-help books, you can let me know in the comment. If you yourself is a book reader, if you're fond of reading, do recommend me some good books so that I can also read, and let's share the knowledge and experience together. Again, in this book, you will find the language is pretty simple. All those books that I'm going to recommend today, these books have very simple language, easy to understand. That's why I said that if you are a beginner for reading, or if you're a beginner where you are trying to improve your English, these all books you can definitely read and you can begin with. Next one is Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King. I think I've read this almost 2 years back. One of my youngest students suggested me this book. Again, this book has a simple language, easy to understand. If you are someone who is struggling with past failures, relationship problems, or if you're someone who keeps on thinking negative always, you must pick this up. The reason is it will help you to change perception about certain things in your life. If you haven't read any self-help book before, then this is a good book to start with. I read it when it was lockdown, when somewhere we all were not in a very good mental state, and it has helped me in changing my perception towards certain things in my life. So go for this one. Here comes the most magical book that everyone should read, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This is one of the most worldwide best-selling books. If you are someone who understands law of attraction, you will be easily able to relate with this. If you do not know about law of attraction, just keep an open mind. Do not pre-assume anything. Don't go by what others says. When I was in 20s, somebody suggested me this book, and I had no idea back then what was law of attraction. So I didn't read it. Few years back, when I explored law of attraction, I manifested few things in my life using law of attraction. That is when I realized the importance of this book and I started reading it. I finished it. I still read it whenever I feel. Sometimes I do repeat chapters. So, yes, this is something I recommend you at least go for it once. I won't say I believe in each and every word, whatever is written in this book, but I took what was important, what seemed working for me, and that's what you can do. The last one is again from Dale Carnegie, How to Win and Influence People. It has very lighter techniques to apply in real life. If you are someone who do not get along with people easily, you must try this book. Whatever I have recommended today, all these books have simple, plain language. You can learn many words and phrases and sentences from these books. Trust me, reading can actually help you improving your English. My daughter can speak fluently. The reason is because she started reading books when she was very young, when she was very small. So I believe that reading is extremely important. We live in India, we don't talk in English at our homes, but still she can speak in English. The reason is, you may think because I'm English teacher, but no, that's not the reason. The reason is she reads a lot of books, and that's what I recommend you also. So start today right away, and do let me know in the comment from which book you're beginning with. Initially you may struggle, just give yourself some time. Just make a target that I need to finish at least one chapter. Don't give up before one chapter. I'll see you soon with one more video. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching me.